You may be wondering how you're going to graph your inequality to present it on the discussion board. It's actually not that hard in Microsoft Word. We can create a basic number line by using the symbols between the letter M and the question mark on your keyboard to create the end arrows. Then the dashes up next to the number 0 to create your line. Notice it auto-corrected into an arrow, which is fine if you'd like to leave it like that. Once you have your number line, you can go ahead and on the next line down, label a couple of points. For example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. I'm trying to keep them evenly spaced by pressing the space bar 2 times after each number. You can see a couple of them got a little spread out, and that's easy to correct. Lastly, we'll go back up to our number line and just add our symbols. Recall the first inequality we solved had a square bracket at the -4 and a square bracket at the 5. To indicate the solution region, I'm going to highlight the part of the number line that is the solution, go up in my tools, notice I'm on the home part of the ribbon, and just choose a color to highlight. The color choice is completely up to you. Okay? That highlighted my solution. If you want, you can adjust your number line a little bit so they line up nicely. Adding the brackets will throw it off a tad, but that gives you the idea. To graph the OR inequality, I want to make sure I don't do that, you're going to follow a similar manner. Create your number line using your arrows, your dashes, and your end arrow. Label some endpoints underneath. Recall that the solution to the OR inequality we went over had the 3 and the 5 as endpoints. I'm going to add just one number on either side. And that the 3 was a square bracket while the 5 was a open bracket. And if you have to adjust a little bit, you can. And I'm going to follow the same thing and highlight my solutions. Notice the arrows in this case did not highlight, and that's okay. But I now have a graph of both my and OR inequality that I can use on my discussion to show the graphical representation of the solution set.